Okay, class, we're here because you guys will be doing your first ever 5-mile run. Since this is the first mile run we'll be doing, you guys will have enough time as you need to complete your runs. But there is one rule I really need to address. There'll be no source of any cheating allowed in this run. If you are caught cheating, then you will automatically fail your first mile run. I'll give you guys a few minutes to warm up. I can't believe we're doing a 5-mile run. I'm the worst runner in the world. What should I do to not fail this one? I believe I know the answer. Hope these rocket shoes will do the trick. Okay, the 5-mile run has started. You guys can now start. Oh, www. I am going super duper fast. So long, Bowser Jr. Wait, Toad, are you using rocket shoes to cheat? No. I believe he is. Excuse me, Snoopy. Wait, Toad, are you cheating? Yes, I am, and it's none of your business. Only a few more kids to go over. Sorry to burst your bubble, Yoshi, but I gotta do some speeding. Oh my goodness, Toad, you're totally gonna fail this mile run. And I have officially finished my first ever 5-mile run. Wow, Toad, I didn't know you were running that fast. Well, maybe I've been practicing for this. Wait just for 1 second. Toad, I don't recall you wearing those shoes. They are new shoes. But earlier today, you were just wearing your regular shoes. Well, Wait, I recognize those shoes. Those are rocket shoes. Those aren't rocket shoes. Toad is lying. Those are rocket shoes. People use them to go very fast. In fact, he was speeding so much during the run. Toad, did you use those shoes to cheat? Now that you have mentioned that, okay, I used those rocket shoes to cheat during the 5-mile run today. Well, thank you for telling me the truth. However, what you did was very wrong still. And for that, I'm gonna have to fail you on this mile run. Great. Now collect your things and head to the office. Hope you learn your lesson, Toad.